What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're at Rodgers Wranglers taking a look at the 2005 TJ right here behind me. Stay with us. So here's a beautiful 2005 Jeep Wrangler TJ. 4.0 inline straight six under the hood. This one has some really nice upgrades. It's clean. It's got the looks. The paint looks great. Soft top's great. You got your KC lights. I mean, this has really got about everything you would want on a Jeep Wrangler. Lift kit, 20s. Man, it's just a beautiful Jeep. This one just came available here at Rodgers Wranglers in beautiful North Charleston, South Carolina. Again, my name is Chad with the sales team at Rodgers Wranglers here on Facebook or even on YouTube. We're gonna walk around a little bit. Towards the end of the video, we'll pop the hood and let you take a look under there. And if you need more information on pricing and financing, please send me a message. So anyways, this one's got front and rear steel bumpers. I believe they're by maybe the Rough Country brand. You got your Rough Country lift there, which is around 9,500 pound lift. I like that it's got the cover on it. Keeps it nice and clean, stops any kind of rust and corrosion from under there with the water. You got your LED headlights, black grille. You got little covers that go over the lights, which is really nice, which is definitely helpful when going off-roading and things like that with tree branches and anything like that. Also has your little D-hooks here on both sides. It's got different lights all around it, from the front to the sides to the rear. You got your XD series wheels by KMC, 20-inch 5 stars. These are pretty popular rim. You'll see them on a lot of vehicles a lot of the time. I know some of the real Jeepers out there probably want a little different style rim setup with an 18 or 17 with a 35. But anyways, you do have your Mastercraft Cruiser MXT tires. First time actually seeing those tires. They're 35 by 12.5 on a 20-inch wheel. As you can see under here, you got your shocks, your springs have all been redone over. Those are that's a Rough Country lift kit on here. You got a little water on the ground because the AC is blowing ice cold inside the car, which is great. Running rail down the side. You saw the KC lights on the front. You also have them here, and then they also have put them up top there. It's got that iconic Jeep look with the KC lights on the roof. That's what this bar does right here, so you don't have to screw anything down on the windshield area. Has tinted windows. The soft top looks to be fairly new, so you don't have to worry about replacing that anytime soon. Also has a exhaust system on it with a good looking black pipe kind of on the back there. Gives it a nice look. It sounds great too when cranking up and driving. They've blacked out the rear tail lights. You can still see the brake lights and everything, but they're a little bit darker tint to them. You got your fifth wheel on the back. Also got a swing arm, which is really nice. Aftermarket rear bumper. Also has a tow hitch right there by Jeep. Let's take a look up underneath. Pretty clean under there, just your traditional corrosion and things like that, which is pretty common. In the back here, you do have your back seat and your storage spot. That's it. There is carpet inside the vehicle as well to help keep the vehicle more, insulated. Roll-up windows, of course, on most of your TJs. Somebody has replaced the traditional little thing there with this, something a little different. First time seeing that. You do have your rugged ridge rubber mats, which are nice. You got your lights switches right there. Your seats, good looking Jeep seats in here. Grab there. That seat pulls right on forward so you can slide into the back. And there's plenty of room back there for someone to sit there. Also, your speakers have been changed out up top here, so you got an aftermarket stereo system. Also, all the speakers inside the vehicle have been switched out. They sound phenomenal. You got your little things to grab a hold of right there. Cruise control, automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive, which I like. Cup holders, very clean as you can see. Obviously, it had a subwoofer in the back. The wires and all your stuff like that is still back here. And it even has this right here to control the bass. So it's ready to go. All you got to do is plug in the speakers, the wires, everything is already set up inside the car. It does have a Pioneer touchscreen display there with backup camera. The camera works, the screen works. Everything is really nice inside this car. USB auxiliary, even has a built-in iPhone cord right there that's wired up into it. We have the original books and manuals in the glove box and the controls for the rough country lift or the winch. Mileage on it, 126,299. So 126,299. We just had the oil change done. That's not due again until 129,299. So this car is ready to go. Let's take a quick moment to pop under the hood, take a look at that, and then we'll be finishing up on this review today. All right, everybody, let's take another look at the hood here. 4.0 liter, very clean, as you can see right now in this video. Super clean engine bay. I mean, I haven't seen any oil leaks or anything out of place at all. It's got a nice K&N intake system on it. 4.0 liter. Just an amazing motor for hitting the streets, hitting the off-road, doing whatever it is you want to do with a Jeep Wrangler. This is the engine right here. If you can find yourself a nice TJ like this, folks, I definitely suggest grabbing it up fast. They don't last long out here at Rodgers Wranglers. Also got your winch, tons of KC lights, LED headlights. I mean, just a beautiful Jeep. There you have it. Thank you for watching with us today, whether you're here on Rodgers Wranglers on Facebook or even on YouTube. We appreciate you taking the time to click on this video of this beautiful 2005 Jeep Wrangler TJ 4.0 liter with all these great extras. Again, if you need pricing information or anything like that, please send me a message. It just came in just a few days ago. So this is just one of many Jeep Wranglers. I keep telling people online that message me, please stop by and walk the lot with me. There's over 50 Jeeps. You're just seeing a little bit of them right in this shot right here, but tons of four doors. The four doors start from the front all the way down to here. Two doors in the middle, excluding that hyper green four-door. There's more Jeeps back here. There's more Jeeps behind the store in the backyard and other Jeeps down on the other end. So we do sell many other types of vehicles as well, other than Jeep Wranglers, Hondas, Toyotas, Chevys, and all types of different vehicles. But Jeep Wranglers are our specialty at Rodgers Wranglers. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Chad with the sales department. Whether I see you at an event throughout the summer here or whether I see you at the store, I'd love to help you out and see you driving off in a Jeep Wrangler. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, we do offer warranties for all the vehicles on lot out here. You're welcome to have that as well with your vehicle when you purchase it. Just talk to us for the details on the warranty. And we also offer on-lot financing with no credit check. So you can finance this Jeep by putting a few $1,000s down, and we'll do a 3-year loan with you on the difference. So anyways, no credit check, driver's license, car insurance, and valid driver's license or passport, insurance, and cash down. You're rolling with no credit check financing here at Rodgers Wranglers. We'll see you soon.